Hey RealFam, welcome to my YouTube channel. Come with me to Remore hair to do a hair install. So there won't be too much of talking on this video. I'm just gonna show you the process of installing my wig. And I was getting ready for a big day when I picked up my car, so I hope you enjoy this. It's a little bit over 15 minutes, but I'm sure you're gonna love it. Enjoy and give it a like, comment, share, and yeah, tell me what you think about Remore hair. Do you like it? Have you done your hair there? By the way, these ones are located in Sandton City, Johannesburg. So I hope you enjoy it. Love you lots. Do subscribe if you haven't.
That's what we want.
Guys, look who's here.
Please subscribe. Don't forget to like this video, comment, and share this video.
Definitely.
She's at Remore, the place to be. Don't forget to come get your info.
And she's the face of Remore, okay? Do subscribe on her channel as well, okay? She does have a YouTube channel. Thank you, darling.
Thank you, babe.
ngakila sifaki makeup khona ngisho ukuthi kungabonakali la Hey, but I have to do everything to forget my new car tomorrow. I'm going all out. Niadla na nginja.
Awukadli lo muntu. Awukadli. Mina ngiyama musi. Right. Mina ngiyaya. Mhlanje ihayela toilet. Ngiyalezi.
Get us coffee. Best thing you post a YouTube like free promotion.
That's my 18. Hey, baba ngifunda kitchen.
Ngicabanga izolomshaya inini awuthi ngaphuma.
Yo, uhlanje uzokumbuyela yini surprise mfana.
Ngathi ubheke something engayithole wrong.
Yazi. So small.
And what made you cook?
Cheers to ungabi umamkopos. Cheers to ungabi umamkopos.
So umthele champagne uzokutshela istola kuyabhula wena.
Mina ngiyasazi isichina ngizokhuluma isichina bazongithanda. Bavela bathi give it the whole bottle.
What? Me. Okay, come
Kusasemusha.
Fun. Let's subscribe. Real talk with Ntabi. Real talk with Ntabi.
Oh,
On YouTube. Subscribe. Okay.
Talk
about what you do.
Hello!
Hello.
Hi guys! Welcome to Remore
Hey, look at me. I'm gorgeous. Tell them to come. Tell them to come.
Come to visit on Sandton City Office Tower, Remore Hey!
Guys, I look so cute.
Not ever.
That's why ngiyeke ibona zange ngibukele. Ayisho ama influencer baza kanjani bathi I'm going for this one. Gotta kiss this one down. It's the one get let you. I can feel it. Yeah. Thank you, darling. Ngizokufaka ngenkani. She did my Benny and bits.
Obvious.
Yes. When my hair grows, just know why. And of course, she takes the cup because look at me. Look at me. She did the things. Thank you, darling.
You're welcome.
I'll thank you properly with the coins, of course. Melenje utipe. Don't forget to tip, guys. Don't forget to tip. And my konje babies and ama shikindi lotseka Zulu. Kuluma phe. Kinga Zulu. Kidi. Inkophe phela. The queen of Nkophe nangu yadla. Hey. Yabona, when it comes to food, you can never, when it comes to food. Akhuluma. Okay, ngicela ukubhadala ngihambe.